Alright guys, we're going to talk about how to change an oil pressure switch in a Dodge Durango 392. But this could be for any HEMI, Dodge Challenger, Charger, will be the same method as far as basically taking the belt off and sticking a tool in between the alternator. So guys, stay tuned, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. We're going to get right into the action. Alright guys, so this is a 392 engine here. I'm going to show you exactly the part here. You can look at the part number and zoom in from Dodge. It's already pre-prepped. There's the part number there if you can zoom in. And we're going to go ahead and go between the alternator here. We already got a lot of things loosened up here. We got the belt loosened up, so you can actually unlock the hose clamp there, so you can move the hose up as well. I already got my tool stuck in there, so you can actually see how I have the plug already plugged out and the belt is already off. So all I have to do at this moment is just unloosen it, and then by hand I can just unscrew it off, and that'll be it. So let me unscrew it here and show you guys real quick. This is how quick you can change your oil pressure switch on these HEMIs, guys. So no need to take the alternator off. Alright, so I loosen it up a little bit. Let me move the ratchet up here so I can actually loosen it up by hand here. Move the belt up, squeeze your hand through the little space there, and right under that pulley, the idler pulley, you're going to stick your hand in by hand and unloosen it. You see that? That's the old one, guys. So I was able to take this off with a 1 1/16 socket. 1 1/16 socket, guys. We'll get this off. Has to be a deep socket. See how deep that was? And then you obviously loosen the belt up. You can keep a wrench on that. You see you down there, you can loosen the tensioner up so you can take the belt off. So once the belt is off, you're able to access it the way I'm able to access it here, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you firsthand the camera view of it right there. You see it? That's that 1 1/16 I had. You're able to go ahead and stick that in there, guys, and hand tighten it, and then you can torque it down the specs. Alright, so I'm back. I actually tightened it down before I got to this moment here, guys. So only thing left now is to put everything back. Thanks for watching.